showing you how to easily erase and factory reset your MacBook. So here is the easiest and safest way to erase and factory reset a MacBook in 2025. So this method works on MacBook OS Monterey, Ventura, Sonoma, and Sequoia. So make sure you have any of these and just follow the steps that match your MacBook. So the method one is to open your system settings. So you can either find it through Spotlight by tapping on the space button and opening it, or you can just look down at the docs and find your system settings right there. Just go ahead and open it and you should see something like this. After you're here, you just need to scroll down till you find General, which is right above Accessibility. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have all these number of options. What you need to do is scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset right below Device Management. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load, and right below Microsoft Assistant you have Erase All Content and Settings. Just tap here and just enter your password. And after that, your MacBook will log you out of Apple ID, remove all data, erase apps and files, erase settings, and reset the factory setup. And reboot to the setup screen. So this takes about 3 to 5 minutes and you're done. Your MacBook is now clean, just like new. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.